is Mac if you're new here. We are on our way to West Winfield, New York for the Winter Forest Run with Explorer Overland. Super excited this year. We went last year, but last year we had the old truck, so we could not participate. We were strictly just video and photographer. But this year, brand new truck, all kinds of upgrades ready for this event, with this event in mind. We got about 2 hours left. I've been driving since around noonish, and so very exciting. And let's get there soon. Super exciting. It's gonna be freaking cold, but we're not gonna let that get in the way of our fun. Back to the road. Okay, we made it. We've been kind of chit-chatting with some folks. Travis is here. Y'all remember him from last year. He's an awesome, great-spirited, super motivated dude. He's out here. And then Noah, who, the first vlog I ever made, that flagpole knob video, he'll be out here as well tomorrow morning. So some familiar faces, not the usual group as far as like my normal people, but I love them so much and I'm glad they're here. So it's -8 right now. But I'm just saying this because I'm in good spirits. It's not that bad. Especially when you're by the fire or if you're distracting yourself and talking to someone, you really can't tell. I'm also layered up more than I ever am. But as a native Texan, I'm doing okay. So really not much else is gonna happen tonight. We're just gonna kind of chill by the fire. There was one group that went out just a little bit ago. A little bit ago as in like 3 hours ago before I got here. And they're already back, so I don't think anyone else is gonna go out again. My hand is shaking, I'm a little chilly. But I'm gonna grab some food, we're gonna head back over, and that'll probably be it. So main stuff's happening tomorrow. Excited, scared, fun. Alrighty, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye! Well, good morning guys, how's it going? Day 2, technically day 1, whatever. Yeah, let me just show you my view of what I had last night and what I'm waking up to. Alright guys, we're just hanging by the fire, this little pathetic fire, and we're just waiting for everyone to kind of wake up. Some people are going to get coffee, some people are going to get gas, and then we'll get going here in probably about an hour or so. Great.
Install's out of condition, but we're gonna get through the woods together. We'll do it as...
Alright guys, if you remember Noah, he was on that flagpole knob way long time ago.
Long time ago, yeah.
We're hitting the hill climb, huh?
Yep.
So
big V-notch.
Yeah.
Really steep hill.
So
I haven't done it in a long time, but
I am just jumping into it. Might do some bypasses because I'm only on off-road 31s, but hey.
Yeah. We'll give it a shot.
We're in here, let's go. Yeah. Alrighty guys, we are aired down and we're ready to go. I got my recovery strap up here in the passenger seat and the shackle is prepped. Let's hit this hill climb. Alright, sorry guys, I totally lost the camera. Whenever we did this little creek crossing, I'll show some pictures, but the camera flung into the back seat, so I'm just gonna show you briefly what we did just now. It's pretty gnarly. I'm sorry I couldn't get on camera, but I'll show you now. Alright, so this is what the guys just did. I, being only on 31s, I did this bypass right there. So you see it's really gnarly in here. Of course, cameras never show, you know, how gnarly it is, but you got some nice big cutouts here. You know, these are like a foot on each side. This has got some rock in it, so, you know, rock and ice and nastiness, but yeah, the guys were bouncing around on this, and there's a couple of bypasses, which is what I did. So I got up to here, and then kind of like got to there, and then Travis backed me up, and then I just freaking gave it the beans and went up here, and that's how I went through right here. It actually drifted really nicely up through here, and then you go right through there, so you avoid all the nastiness. That's why it's called a bypass. And then boom, there I am right there. So yeah, I will not lose the camera again.
So basically, we're at the top of the hill, above the creek down there. They're trying to dredge a new path down through that doesn't look sketchy or head on to a tree. So that's what we're dealing with right now. the only open path is dead straight to a tree down there. So
Yeah, that log you see right there is that path right there.
down to a tree at the bottom.
Yeah.
So we're trying to forge a new way through.
Very exciting. So I'm turned around and now everyone else is gonna go in front of me and we're gonna go back down and go along the creek.
Hey, what's up guys? We just came down from the top trail over there and we came down, we're doing some recovery mud pit stuff and now we're gonna go hit lunch.
Just, you know, same old Jeeps pulling out Toyotas. Nice, nice, nice.
Boom into that tree.
Now things are as it should be. The Toyota's pulling out the Jeep. Beautiful. Like that. Alrighty guys, lunch is over. We are headed to the river run, which is the opposite trail that we did not get to do this morning. So weird, it says it's -2, which is about right, but it feels so much colder. It's so weird. The sun's going down, it's a little bit windy, but I don't know, it's weird. Anyway, back to the trail. Actually have already reached the end of the trail. This property is really a work in progress, so just trying to get people out here so they know it exists. But yeah, we're turning around now. It's a fun little trail because it's like some deep rivets and you get some good bounce and stuff. So back to it. Yeah. Well, I got him out, but it's not completely off, but it is it's okay. Alright guys, really aren't doing much now. We're kind of just waiting for the other group to get back. We're just kind of seeing all the carnage from the day and seeing if everyone's good to get home, but yeah, that's about it for right now. Alrighty guys, we were just chilling by the fire. We got a nice big fire compared to last night. Thankfully it's gonna be warmer tonight, but I'm just gonna take some more pictures and then we're just gonna wait until the raffle starts here in a little bit. Alrighty guys, that's the end of day 2. We are headed to bed and we're probably just gonna head home in the morning. See y'all in the morning. Bye. Good morning guys. His mud flap gotten ripped off, and so he decided that the best way to take it off, which was understandably, was with a mallet. So that was kind of fun to watch, but we're gonna pack up here and get back on the road because we've got a ways to go home. Okay. So we've aired up the rear, driver front, but the other side of the truck, a little bit of a different story, but we'll get to them and we'll get out of here. There she is. Wasn't too bad. Okay guys, we are all we're all aired up. This poor engine bay still needs to be cleaned, but we're ready to hit the road. Alright guys, we're officially on the road, headed back to Virginia, and hopefully nothing eventful happens. We'll see y'all on the way. So I use a friend's compressor to fill up my tires to air up, and he was saying that the gauge was a little off, and so it was like when it hits around 50 or around actually 35. And so I did that, and then my sensors were telling me that I was around like 48. So I just pulled over, put some more gas in from the back, and then aired down more because it was way too much pressure for these tires. So everything's good to go, and we're back on the road. Hey guys, we're working our way through Pennsylvania, and it is actually starting to snow a little bit, which is kind of fun. Probably can't see it, but it is, I swear.
It's snowing?
Yeah.
Lucky. I saw everyone on watching tonight. What's there?
Alright guys, we just got home. Thankfully we didn't have any real problems with the snow, and we timed it just right because there's just a little bit of daylight out, and we're home safe and sound, so we didn't have to drive in the dark any more than we had to. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to watch the last year's video, I'll put one of the things up in the corner. Definitely check out the Instagram. That's where I do daily uploads for what I'm up to, plans of trips I'm going to go on, and projects I'm working on. And then click the link down below for everything else. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.